Hello friends, welcome to Maths Academy. Let's have a quick recap what we have seen in the last session. We were on the proper nouns. A proper noun is a name of a particular person, place or a thing. Let's understand it using an example. Lucknow is a very beautiful city. Common nouns. Common noun is the name common to every member of a class or a kind. Example: do you mind dropping me to the station? Next is the collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group of persons or a thing taken together as one. Example: birds of the same feather flock together. Next is the material nouns. A material noun is the name of a material of which a thing is made. Example: salt is a very necessary ingredient. Last is the abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, an action, or a state. Example: honesty is the best policy. Here, the words Lucknow is the proper noun. The word station is the common noun. The word flock is the collective noun. The word salt is the material noun. And the word honesty, it is an example of the abstract noun. Now coming on to the new lesson of today's class, we are on the next part, which is nouns, singular or plural. There are two types of nouns, singular nouns and plural nouns. Singular nouns are the ones which stands for one person, animal, place or thing. Whereas plural nouns are those which stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing. Let's understand it using the examples. Like hat, the plural form is made by adding an s, right? Hat, hats. Belief, beliefs. Fox, it is being made by adding es, fox es. Brush, brush es, es. Fly, instead of y, we are going to add ies for the plural of fly, flies. Lady, ies, ladies. Knife, remove the word fe and add ves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Tooth is converted to teeth in the plural form. These are the singular forms, and from singular we are making the plural. So tooth, teeth. Man, men. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Here we are just changing the vowels to make the plural form, right? Ox, oxen. Sheep, sheep. Singular may be sheep, plural may be sheep. dear, dear. Son-in-law will be turned to sons-in-law. Stepmother will be converted to stepmothers. I hope this point is clear. Now let's have a quick glance at few of the points. Some nouns are always used in the plural forms. Example, a pair of scissors, goggles, socks, they are always used in plural. Some words, they look plural but are used in singular. Examples, measles, physics, mumps, mathematics, economics. Okay. Next is the numerals. 6 can be turned to sixes, 20, 20s, 90, 90s. These are the plural forms of the numerals. Radius is converted to radii. Focus is converted to foci. Aquarium is converted to aquaria. Basis is converted to basis. Analysis is converted to analysis. Larva to larvae. These are the plural forms of the singular nouns. I hope this session of nouns is clear to you. Thank you for watching.